too shy from you. No.
Hi my silly beauties, welcome back to my channel. So this is my St. Patrick's Day look. So basically I'm using this palette. My baby girl done ruined this palette for me. But yeah, so happened she was in my room quiet and she done tore up this palette, baby girl. But anyways, in today's video I'm just using 4 shades. I'm using this this color is so pretty. This palette is so vibrant and you just need a little, goes a long way. So basically I'm just getting a fluffy brush and I'm blending it out in the crease and also on the lid. And right there on my brow bone, I just have a highlighter on the brow bone already. So when I did do my face already. But right here, this is a deep orange shade. I can't really describe the shade, but it's on the orange color, but it's like deep in brown, if that makes sense. But yeah, you don't have to wear this look on St. Patty's Day. It's like any day look, a party look, a birthday look, or whatever. But I'm just going to show you an easy way to do a cut crease using just eyeshadow. Like, I know some people don't know how to do the cut crease and it's very trying for you, but this right here is very easy. You're just going to pat the eyeshadow shade on the lid and you're just going to carve out your eye shape, but just go a little bit above your crease, your natural crease on your lid, and you're just going to start shaping your eye with it. I'm using just a flat brush, right? So yeah, I'm just using a flat brush right here. I'm just patting the eyeshadow on the lid. I'm just carving out my eye shape of the lid with the eyeshadow. So whenever you do a cut crease, you know, you put the concealer down first and then you pat the eyeshadow on there. And I know it's like difficult for some people and some beginners, but this right here is the easy way to achieve that without doing all those steps, you know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm doing right here. It's very simple. Try it. If you mess up, try again. You know, practice makes perfect, okay? So yeah, so right here I'm just patting it out all on the lid, and you're gonna do the same thing on the bottom lash line also. And yeah, that really will complete the look. And just add some lashes of your choice, and I did use a liquid liner. And yeah, so basically that will complete the look. And let me know if you want some more step-by-step eyeshadow looks, go in detail, or do you want me to show you some looks with just 2 eyeshadow shades. So right here in this video today, I just used 4 eyeshadows to complete this look. Alright you guys, and hi, my name is Jessica. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jessica, and if y'all have any video ideas or anything you want me to do, let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!